the audacity! Who gave you permission? I did. That's who. You are gonna make French food on a weeknight and you are gonna love it. It's so easy. Let's get started. We're making pork a la Normande, which is pork. I think it's funny. Normandy is a region in France. It's North France where they grow a lot of apples. We're gonna make this classical dish and let's get started. Next, we're gonna season up our pork chops with a little pro seasoning. You want to stop your meat from curling like that? Use a cast iron steak weight. So my chops are like about 1/4 of an inch thick, so I'm gonna let them be a little bit pink in the middle. You want to cook your chops to 145 degrees internal temperature. So insert your temperature probe into the thickest part, which for this case is, you know, we don't really have one. But I would put it right in the center, 145. We don't want it too dry. Dry pork chops are sad. Now we're gonna cook our apples. Get a little, oh, I got oil on my shirt. Just wanna get a little color on them, get them a little soft. Gonna throw a little pro seasoning on them. Next we're gonna chuck in our onions. Calvados. This is an apple liqueur. You can substitute with any kind of apple liqueur, or you can keep it sober and you can just use chicken stock, or you know, you don't have to put any. You can leave this part out. Now we're gonna add a couple of ounces of apple juice. And we're gonna reduce that to what's called au sec, or almost dry. Pretty dry. At reduce. And there it is, pork Normandy on a weeknight. You can make classical French food for your family and they're gonna love it. Thanks for watching, guys. If you like my show, don't forget to subscribe, hit the little bell, and as always, leave a comment down below after you watch the video. I wanna keep cooking with you.